who is watching this video will definitely crack NEET 2022 and you will get a seat in your dream college. If you agree, then type yes I will in the comment box and I am eagerly waiting to read that comments. With this boost, I like to start this video. In this video, I have explained the 6-month schedule to crack NEET 2022. It includes 6-month study plan, weekly timetable and daily timetable. You no need to worry about what you need to do each and every day because in this video I have explained each and every bit of it more clearly. More interestingly, NEET Master is back with our 6-month test series and will explain it in detail in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. If you are new to my channel, hello, I am Ibrahim. I make videos to make your NEET preparation much more interesting and to help you to crack NEET and to get MBBS seat in your dream college. So consider subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notification whenever I upload new video. Okay, then without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, let us assume NEET exam is on May 2022. Still you have 7 months in your hands. Let us split this 7 months into 2 parts. That is, first 6 months for your preparation and last month for your revision. In this video, we are going to concentrate on first 6 months of your NEET journey. Okay, in this 6 months from October to March, there are totally 182 days. How you gonna utilize these 182 days will decide whether you will become a NEET topper or NEET dropper. Don't worry, in this video I have explained how you need to utilize these 182 days effectively to become a NEET topper. Okay, fine. Next, we have divided entire NEET syllabus into 10 parts. 5 parts for class 11 and 5 parts for class 12. I have given this 10 part syllabus PDF link in description. Just download it for free. Each part contains chapters from all the 3 subjects. First 5 parts will cover all the chapters of class 11 and last 5 parts will cover all the chapters of class 12. Okay, fine. For studying each part, you will get 11 days. Okay, let me repeat once again. The plan is very simple. We have divided entire NEET syllabus into 10 parts and to study each part, you will get 11 days. Fine. I hope you understood. Okay, now you are ready to look at the 6 month schedule. In this 6 months, totally you have 182 days. Let us start from the beginning. Okay, from day 1 to day 11, you need to study part 1 syllabus and on 12th day, you will write a unit test based on part 1 syllabus. Fine. Same like part 1, from day 13 to day 23, you need to study part 2 syllabus and on 24th day, you will write a unit test based on part 2 syllabus. Fine. Okay, now before going to the next part, you will get 4 days to revise part 1 and part 2 syllabus once again. And on the next day, that is on 29th day, you will write a revision test based on part 1 and part 2 syllabus. Fine. Now we are proceeding to part 3 and part 4. Same like before, 11 days to study part 3 syllabus and 1 day for writing test and again 11 days to study part 4 syllabus and 1 day for writing test. Fine. Before going to the next part, again you will get 4 days to revise part 3 and part 4 syllabus and you will write a revision test on 58th day. Fine. Next you will get 11 days to study 5th part syllabus, then on 70th day you will write a unit test based on part 5 syllabus. Okay, if we take a closer look, by 70th day you will complete class 11 syllabus completely. Next you will get 9 days to revise class 11 portion, that is first 5 parts. Next on 80th day you will write a half portion test for class 11. Fine. From now you will study class 12 portion from day 81 to day 91, that is 11 days to study part 6 syllabus and on 92nd day you will write unit test based on part 6 syllabus. Same like this, you will get 11 days to study part 7 syllabus and 1 day for writing test. Fine. Then again you will get 4 days to revise part 6 and part 7 syllabus and on 109th day you will write a revision test based on part 6 and part 7 syllabus. Fine. Okay, from now you need to observe this schedule very closely because there is a little twist in this schedule. Are you ready? Yes. From day 110 to day 120, 11 days you will study part 8 syllabus and on day 121 you will write a unit test for part 8 syllabus. And here is the twist. Before going to part 9 and part 10, you will write a half portion test once again for class 11 which you have studied before and you will get 9 days to revise class 11 syllabus, that is first 5 parts. These 9 days are very important because you are going to revise entire class 11 syllabus once again in 9 days. This is very important thing that differentiate NEET Master schedule from others, because if you study class 11 syllabus later on, you will feel very difficult to revise. You can't remember what you have studied before. That's why I gave 9 days to revise it once again so that you can remember well. Okay, fine. After 9 days, you will write a half portion test on 131 day. Next, you need to study part 9 and part 10 syllabus as I mentioned before, and again you will get 4 days for revision, and by 160th day you will write a revision test for part 8, 9 and 10 syllabus. Here you need to put extra effort because you need to revise 3 parts. Fine. By the end of 160th day you will complete class 12 portions completely. Again you will get 9 days to revise class 12 portions, that is from part 6 to part 10, and on 170th day you will write a half portion test for class 12 syllabus. Yeah, great. Finally you will get 11 days to revise entire NEET syllabus once again, and now you can focus on class 11 parts again. By 182nd day you will write a full portion test. Yes, this is the perfect schedule for 6 months. By the end of this schedule you have written 10 unit wise tests, 4 revision tests, 3 half portion tests and 1 full portion test. Totally 18 tests. Next we can move on to daily timetable. If you take a closer look, you will have 3 different kinds of days in the schedule. 1. Study day. 2. Revision day. 3. Exam day. Okay, now let us look at study day and revision day timetable. Wake up at 6:30 and do some workout and little meditation and get ready by 7 am. From 7 to 8 study physics. From 8 to 9 break, complete bathing and breakfast. From 9 to 10:30 again it's time for physics. Then from 10:30 to 11 break. Then 11 to 1 pm it's time for chemistry. Then from 1 to 2 lunch break. Then from 2 to 4 take a small nap. But if you are a student who don't need a nap, then solve MCQs at this time. Fine. Then from 4 to 5 study chemistry once again. Then from 5 to 6 tea break, chill. Then from 6 to 9 it's time for biology. Then from 9 to 10 dinner break. Again from 10 to 11 it's time for revision. For example, if you are studying part 2 syllabus, then in this time you need to revise previous part, that is part 1 syllabus. Then from 11 to 6:30 sleep. And this is the study day schedule. The difference between study day and revision day is that on study day first you study, then you need to solve MCQs. But on revision day, you need to solve MCQs first, then you need to revise. Fine, I hope you understood. Then we can move on to exam days. Get ready by 6 and start revising from 6 to 8. Then 8 to 9, complete bathing and breakfast. Then from 9 to 12, it's time for the test. Then from 1 to 4, long break. Complete your lunch and take a small nap. Then from 4 to 5, check your answers. Then from 5 to 6, tea break. Then from 6 to 9, it's time for rectifying your mistakes. See whether you made most of the mistakes in the test and read those topics again. Here, take 1 hour for each subject. Then from 9 to 10, dinner break. Then from 10 to 11, revision time. Fine. This is how you need to spend the exam day. If this timetable comfortable for you, then you can follow this. If not, make your own timetable. Next, you will get a question. How to write all those tests which is mentioned in the schedule, that is unit test, revision test, half test and full test. The answer is you have 2 options. One is offline and another online. I tell you both and you decide. First one, in this case you need a question bank, timer and OMR sheet. Step 1, before starting the test you need to manually pick 180 questions from your question bank. Step 2, set a timer for 3 hours. Step 3, start solving and share your answers in OMR sheet. The reason to use OMR sheet is you will get the exam hall feeling. After the completion of the test, you need to manually check all the answers from your question bank and you need to calculate your score. If you choose this option, you need to follow all these steps, which is really time consuming. In the second case, you can attend our test series. We are conducting all these tests in our NEET Master application. Main highlight is you don't need to worry about finding question paper. We are providing conceptual and highly probable question for NEET exam. And most important thing is that we provide the rank list and scorecard. So it gives you a competitive feeling. You can better understand how others are preparing and how much hard work you need to put extra to get better rank. And this is very important while preparing for any competitive exams, and you don't need to waste time to calculate your marks, and we will do that for you. And one more benefit is that we are providing answer key, so you don't need to worry about finding answers for each and every question. And last thing is that we will also provide you the question paper in PDF format so that you can later on go through it. And there are around 95 chapters in NEET syllabus, We are also providing chapter-wise test series for all the 95 chapters. So 18 tests from the schedule plus 95 chapter-wise tests, totally 113 tests. If you join these kinds of test series in any fancy institute, they will provide you only 10 or 20 tests and they charge you multiple thousands of rupees. But we are not going to do that. Our motto is to provide everything for cheap but with high quality, so that each and every student will get benefited and achieve their dream. So for all these 113 tests, we are charging 499 rupees only, and this test series start from October 1. From October 1, you can start attending all the tests. So don't miss this opportunity, make use of our efforts and get benefited. If you are interested to buy our test series, then download our app NEET Master. I have given a link in description and launch it. Here you need to click store button and you can find our pro test series for NEET 2022. Select that and click content. Here you can see chapter wise test series, unit wise test, revision test and half and full portion test. And at the bottom, click buy now button and complete your payment through any mode of payment. And this is the procedure to buy. We are also plan to take video lectures for all the 3 subjects soon. We will give you an update within a week, so stay tuned. I hope you like this video. Please share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching my video till the end. See you in next video.